Hello students. In today's class, we will continue with the rational numbers between two rational numbers. That is the topic of chapter number 1, class standard 9. So in last class, we have discussed that there are infinitely many rational numbers between two rational numbers, right? So this is all about the last class, that we have shown that in between 0 and 1 there are 10 numbers. Again, in between 0.3 and 0.3, 10 numbers, right? So in this way we can find infinitely many numbers between two rational numbers. So today, continue with this part. We will discuss the two questions, that is of exercise 1.1. Okay, so first question, that is question number 2 of exercise 1.1. Question number 2. So the question is, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4, right? So to find out 6 rational numbers, you can do the previous class method. That means you can use the magnification method by between 3 and 4. You know that now between 3 and 4 there are 10 numbers. So in that way also you can find out the any 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Here one another method that we have to learn. That method, in this method, what we have to do is, in question we have asked to find out 6 rational numbers. So we have to add 1 in this 6, right? That we have, what we have to ask in the question, we have to add 1 in that. So 1 more, that means 6 plus 1, that is equals to 7, right? So by taking 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. Now what we have to do with this 7? We have to multiply both the numbers with 7 as a numerator and denominator. So we are going to change this number. Actually we are not going to change this number, but we are represent this number in another way. How? See, 3 is equals to 3 into 7 upon 7. That means if 7 will cut, it will remain only 3. So we are actually not changing the value, right? So by multiplying numerator with numerator, we get 7 into 3, that is equals to 21. 7 into 1, that is equals to 7. So actually we are not changing the value, right? Same way here also we multiply this 4 with 7 in the numerator and 7 in denominator, the same way. So again multiply this number, 7 into 4, that is equals to 28 upon 7. So we actually not changing the value, because 7 4s are 28. Okay, so now what we have to do is, we convert these 3 and 4 into this number 21 upon 7 and 28 upon 7. So we have to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. That means between 21 upon 7 and 28 upon 7. The numbers must be greater than 21 upon 7 and less than the 28 upon 7. Right? Okay. So, sorry, here something is changed. The number we have to find, that is the greater than, and this number should be less than the 28 upon 7. Okay, so greater number of 21 upon 7 is 22 upon 7, then 23 upon 7, 24 upon 7, 25 upon 7, 26 upon 7 and 27 upon 7, which is less than the 28 upon 7. So in between 21 upon 7 and 28 upon 7, we find the 6 rational numbers. This first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Right? So this method is also you can use, and this method is actually very easy. Okay. Question number 3. We will also discuss the question number 3. So in this question, we have to find out the 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Right? We will use the same method that we have do in the question number 2. So here we have how many numbers we have to find? 5. So add 1 in the 5. So 1 more, that is 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Okay. So in the same way we do in the previous sum, multiply this 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5 with 6 upon 6. That means here, see here, this 3 upon 5 is as it is. We multiply this with numerator and denominator with same numbers. Right? So actually we are not changing the value of 3 upon 5. Now multiply this denominator with this denominator. 6 3s are 18. In denominator 6 5s are 30. 4 upon 5. Multiply 6 by 6. Here we get 6 4s are 24 and 6 5s are 30. Again we represent this 3 upon 5 as 18 upon 30 and this 4 upon 5 as 24 upon 30. So now we have to find out 5 rational numbers between 18 upon 3 and 24 upon 30. That means the number should be greater than this 18 upon 13 and less than this 24 upon 30. Okay. So number which is greater than 18 upon 30 is 90 upon 30. Then 20 upon 30. 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30, 23 upon 30. Okay. So we have asked to find out 5 rational numbers and here are that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So this is the method by which you can find out any rational numbers that is asked in the questions. Simply you have to remember that if you have asked to find 5 rational numbers, then you have to add 1 in this 5 and you have to multiply both the given numbers with this in numerator and denominator both. If you have to ask 7 rational numbers, then you have to multiply with 8 because 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. So you have to multiply with 8 in both the numerator and denominator, right? So this method is very easy. You can find out the any rational numbers in this way. Okay.